Hey guys, Kaikane here once again. Greetings from Shibuya, Tokyo. Got a few corporate classes around here and have a quick break right now, so I figured I would put out another awesome video. This one's about the best ages for ESL teachers to teach English overseas. While the age range of teaching English overseas for ESL teachers is quite vast, there are limits, and I'm going to talk about those in this episode. So basically, starting from 21, fresh after your sexy butt gets out of university, when you are young, dumb, and full of whatever, all the way up until 60, right before retirement, is okay to teach. After 60, any student from anywhere in the world pretty much couldn't be bothered being taught by you, no matter how sexy or hot you are in your silver primetime era. On the flip side to this coin, too young a native English teacher can also be seen as an inexperienced and clueless individual, mostly because of no experience and not knowing how to teach, etc., etc. So, depending on where you are, how much you know about the lovely and awesome English language, how hot and sexy you are, how confident you are, and etc., will mostly determine if you can make it or break it anyway. Age is just a number, right? Yet a little secret that must be told: fake it till you make it, or tell them exactly what they want to hear. If you look the part and act the part, no matter what your real age is, then you're all set. So that's it. See you cool people later, and be sure to check out my cool website, GetRichTeachingEnglish.com, and get my book if you haven't, of course. Also, if you have any further in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering, or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find a rewarding ESL teaching job abroad, the best places on where to move to teach English overseas, learn the secret tips and tricks of teaching and how to make tons of money in the process, then please don't hesitate to book an email or Skype consultation with me via my website. I also provide resume revamp, edit, and reference services as well that will definitely help you out. Have an awesome day and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Thousands are coming at you, so stay tuned. I'm here for you, and hopefully you can make as much money as me someday doing a job that you love. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay on track.